The number one mistake we all make when it comes to investing is not investing when the market is down. And that is simply human nature. You see anything on the news right now, it's all bearish. People are saying there's another crash coming. If you type in crypto on YouTube, you are going to see countless videos just saying that another big crash is coming. It's going to continue going down, and then you ask yourself, well, why in the world would I want to invest now if I know it's going to keep going down, or if I'm going to lose another 10%? That is the human rationale for not investing. But what I want to convey in this video is that for those of you who understand that even though the market is down, now is a great time to dollar cost average in some of your positions and in the coins you have the most conviction in. If we just take a look at, let's say, Bitcoin, and we talk about exactly what has been happening, let's go to an all-time chart here. And I want to specifically highlight a few areas back in 2020. So imagine back here, the market wasn't doing much. You were just chilling and you were like, okay, well, it's going up slowly but surely. And then it went absolutely crazy. It went all the way up to $56,000 in 2021, and as you all remember, towards the end of the year, Bitcoin went all the way up to about $65,000. So that is literally almost a 6x, and of course, we're just talking about Bitcoin here. We're not talking about altcoins, but people who invested here back in 2020 when it wasn't exciting, nothing was really happening, they were massively rewarded at the top of the bull market. But I am sure that most of us, if not all of us, actually did start investing at the very top, because at the very top we were like, oh, well, this is going to 100,000, this is going to 150,000, and I even saw videos that people said Bitcoin was going to 1 million. Now, that is the main problem, because we don't get excited as humans, as investors. We don't get excited when the market is either flat or going down. But like I've said many times now, that is the perfect opportunity to actually start a position, dollar cost average in another, or even just continue accumulating your position. Now, that's Bitcoin. And if we take a look at Ethereum, I mean, it's been sitting around 1,800 for what, the last few weeks. And it's just not exciting to invest in. I mean, I personally, speaking for myself, I mean, why would I want to buy Ethereum right now? I mean, it's going up 1%, it's going down 3%, it's going up 4%, it's staying in the same range, and I'm not going to be making any money in the next few months on Ethereum. Now, fast forward that to, let's say, 2 years from now, in 2025, when we are in this next bull market, if it does happen in 2025, well, I do see Ethereum blowing past $5,000, probably even go to $10,000, and that is literally a 5+X from the current price. Now, it doesn't sound exciting right now, but it is just giving you an opportunity to accumulate if you are looking to accumulate. Now, if we get into these altcoin plays, because of course, when you talk about crypto, you're talking about Bitcoin, you're talking about Ethereum, but if you get into the altcoins, here is where a lot of money can be made. And if we take a look at Cardano, I mean, this one here, absolutely crazy what happened to it in the last bull market. It went all the way up to $3 a token. It had a $95 billion market cap. I mean, you can't really ask for more than that. It went all the way from, I think, a couple cents, maybe 15 cents, all the way to $3. And people here were saying it's going to $10. But of course, that was the exhaustion of that bull market. But had you invested back in this bear market when it wasn't doing much, which is exactly what's happening right now, I do believe we found a bottom earlier in the year. But again, if you continue dollar cost averaging in these positions that you may have, or you start new positions and you dollar cost average, let's say $50 this week, $100 the other week, or even as little as $10 a week, or whatever the case may be, whatever your budget allows you to invest, this is probably the better time to invest. rather than when it starts going up, when people start hyping these up, or when we start seeing all of these altcoins and other coins reach their previous all-time highs. Because why would you want to invest when a certain coin reaches its previous all-time high when you had literally a year and even more than that to invest when it was much lower? Now we can do the same thing with most of these coins. If we take a look at XRP, this one here went all the way to $1.50. Right now it's sitting around 50 cents. Again, down 3 times what it was once back in 2021. Another one you could be looking at, and if we take the more speculative one, the ones I am looking into, we can talk about Gala games. And again, I've made multiple videos on Gala, and if we take a look at its all-time chart, I mean, it went up to 80 cents, $5 billion market cap. It's down to 3 cents today. It has been down for quite some time. So of course, people may think this isn't going to go back up, but even if it goes to 10 cents, it's still a 3x. And if it blows by your previous all-time high of 80 cents, well, you can just imagine what can happen. So again, this is kind of the message of the video. Of course, right now, it's not exciting to invest in anything. Everything's flat. There's not much happening in the crypto space. Prices are going up 5%, going down 5% the other day. They're staying within a range. There's no real big moves. And this is where people are going to make their crazy amounts of gains in the next bull market, are the people who are accumulating right now when everything is down. Now, of course, nothing here is financial advice. These are my opinions. This is also kind of what I am doing. I wish I had more capital to put more and to dollar cost average more in these positions. But of course, life is expensive, and that's why you kind of have to allocate a certain amount of money to your investments and continue doing that on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, and continue dollar cost averaging with your budget, whether or not that's $25 or $1,000. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, smash the like button. Let me know your thoughts on what's going to happen next in crypto. Let me know your thoughts. What are you accumulating right now? Leave that in the comment section below, and smash the like button if you've enjoyed. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. My name's Eric, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.